Measured variables help drive a design relative to other key portions of geometry. As the geometry referenced by the measured variable changes, the value of the variable updates accordingly. To create a measured variable, select the variable feature from the Part Studio toolset. Select Measured as the variable type. Measured variables may be driven by a distance between two referenced entities. The distance can then be set to the minimum or maximum distance between them. Additionally, when minimum is selected, the Extend Entities checkbox creates a measurement between infinitely extended selections, whether they are lines, arcs, cylinders, etc. When measuring to or from a circular edge or cylindrical face, the Use Axis checkbox measures to the center axis of the selection. Finally, expanding axis measurements allows the measurement to be specified along any of the major axes, as well as along the custom direction. A variable created using the length option drives the variable by the length of one or more edges or sketch entities. The diameter option drives the variable by the diameter or radius of a circular edge. Similarly to assigned variables, the optional description makes it easier to understand the design intent of the variable. Measured variables can also be created from the Measure tool. When using the Measure tool, the variable symbol appears next to valid measurements. Selecting this symbol automatically uses the referenced entities to create a measured variable, while inheriting all the relevant options from the Measure tool. Measured variables are parametric features and are added to the feature list in the order they are created. A parent-child relationship is created when a measured variable references geometric entities. Since these referenced entities must be present for the variable to reference them, the variable may not be ordered above the feature or features from which they originated. As an example, let's create a measured variable to use in an extruded cut sketch. In this case, let's reference the length of the end aprons. This cut is 0.5 inches from the edge of the apron and is mirrored to create a total of 4 cuts. For the length, an expression of apron length divided by 2 minus 1 inch is used. This expression ensures the correct length is maintained, even if the dimensions of the table are modified. With the cut complete, the size of the table can be changed. Due to the variable referencing the measurement of the apron, the size updates correctly regardless of the modifications. By utilizing measured variables, features or dimensions are driven by geometry rather than set values. This method allows additional flexibility and improves the automation of the design.